Josh, you want to hear a funny story about this creek?
Yeah, man, tell me.
So, a while back, me and CJ were coming out here. We were going to hunt this muscadine field over here, right? And I told CJ, I said, hey man, stay over to this side because it's a lot more shallow. And I walked across the creek. I heard a splash behind me. I turned around. This man went to the opposite side, and that's about 3 foot deep right there. And the man was laying in water. It was cold. It was cold as shit that morning. And he said, yeah, he got up, but then I tend to look up in the trees, and there was hunters everywhere in here, dude. Phone lights everywhere. So everybody done saw that man, and I felt so bad. Some embarrassing shit, and it wasn't even me that fell in this creek.